Presenting the Audi 2018 RS3. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. This vehicle's top features include Dynamic Plus package included, carbon engine cover, 174 miles per hour top speed limiter, RS fixed sports suspension, deletes Audi magnetic ride, direct tire pressure monitoring system, anthracite gray front ceramic brakes, black rear calipers, black optic package included, black optic exterior trim with Quattro script and rear lip spoiler wheels, 19-inch 5-arm blade design, bicolor black finish, staggered fitment, high gloss black exterior mirror housings, dynamic package included, wheels, 19-inch 5-arm blade design, bicolor titanium finish, staggered fitment, sport exhaust system with black tips, tires 255/30R19FR and 235/35R19RR, performance red brake calipers, Daytona gray pearl effect,